Welcome back to my channel. Ha! Okay guys, I don't know why every time I'm recording something it's raining outside. I don't know guys, it's been a while since I recorded something. I'm sorry for slacking. I've just been going through something. It's just that I've been feeling so not in the mood for recording, but I'm back. I'll start recording and making more content starting from today. Keeping my fingers crossed for that. So today we're gonna be doing something different. It's Halloween. I'm sorry I'm not in my Halloween costume, but I do have a friend who is in Sabah. Her name is Fairoz Amni. I'll put her Instagram somewhere here or here, I don't know. She's really good with makeup, but she doesn't have any YouTube channel, but she has amazing talent. I know this girl for like almost 10 to 11 years right now. We've been friends from YouTube actually. Like 10 years back, we met in YouTube through the comment section. We've been friends since then, but we only met for the first time last July or May. I can't remember. It was like for an event. Yeah, she's like one of the few people who has ever cried for me.
Flashback.
I still find it very hilarious. I'm really bad with emotion. I don't really know how to portray my emotion. If somebody cries beside me, I'm legit gonna start laughing because I won't know what to do. I won't know what to, like, do I go like pat them on the shoulder? I'm a very awkward person. So please, I really hope nobody else cries when I'm there because I won't know what to do. I would want to just run and hide in a hole. Talking about Fi, every year during Halloween, she does something. She creates some kind of look and she usually posts it on her Instagram like this. Yeah, so this year she decided to record the whole process without any voiceover. She told me to do a reaction voiceover. I know it's so weird. It's sort of like me doing my best friend's voiceover. So I don't know what product she's gonna use. I don't know what kind of look she's creating. I've never seen the video. I've never seen the finished look picture. She haven't posted anything but this video. She gave this video in private. I'm gonna watch it now for the first time and I'll be doing a voiceover while I watch this with my first time reaction, if that makes sense. So let's go straight to the video. I'm talking so much because I don't know what I'm doing. She even edited it with music. Okay, I'm playing the video now. Okay, she's using the POREFessional primer. That's a primer. Yeah, you do it before every makeup. So yes, you have to prime your face before makeup. Wait, what is that? I think it's a green color corrector. If you have redness in your face, you have to use green color corrector. Like myself, I have dark pigmentation, so I have to use red color corrector. But I have no idea if she's color correcting or she's just simply painting her face with green. Okay, that's a beauty blender or a sponge. I think she's making her face green. There's no way in hell that's called color correcting. Okay, I don't know what she's doing. Maybe it's a zombie. Yes, she's painting her whole face green. Like, kind of like, it's not super, it's green. But it kind of color corrected her face though. I mean, Fi, why are you so red? Maybe she's shy recording herself. Oh, that's the Sephora foundation, is it? That's paper white. Okay. What are you doing? What kind of look is this? Yes. Wow. Is she creating like you know those Chinese jumping ghosts? Maybe she's doing that. Oh no, or maybe she's just doing zombie. Because whenever she's adding green, I'm keep on thinking of zombies. Zombies are not always green, but I don't know why. Yes, she put on a very white foundation and she's putting more green. Are you using a flashlight? Okay, that's a powder. Oh, Laura Mercier, fancy. You guys will never see this kind of product at my channel unless if it's this. Yes, you gotta set all those foundation with more white. Yes. Because one type of powder is not enough for Halloween. Yes, definitely. It's kind of amazing how Phi's video editing is more great than mine, but she's not doing any videos on YouTube. I don't know why. Maybe you guys should ask her to do more videos on YouTube. She has the humor that I don't. Or maybe it's gonna be Frankenstein. Or is it Pochong? Okay, when she gave me this video, she kind of titled it a very simple Halloween look. Is it simple? I don't know. Sephora colorful matte eyeshadow in, I believe it's just black, or is it like a dark gray? I have no idea, Phi. I'm sorry, I'm failing you in this. She kinda looks like Pochong right now. I hope she doesn't go out looking like that. She's gonna give somebody a heart attack. Oh, maybe it's a skeleton. You gotta give yourself that hollow cheekbone thingy. If you're a ghost, ghosts have that. I'm sorry, I don't know what to voice over. I'm a bad voiceover person. Because I'm like kind of concentrating on what she's doing because this is interesting. I love watching tutorial videos. So, girl, what are you doing? My guess so far, I'm like 5 minutes into this video. I think it's either going to be Frankenstein, or zombie, Pochong, or a skull. I have no idea anything else besides that. This kind of tell you how far my knowledge is in knowing stuff like this. Okay, it's Sephora blueberry. Is it blueberry? Blueberry fluffy? Oh yeah, she's just adding the pink underneath her eye on top of the black eyeshadow to make it look like she got punched in the face. Like blue black, like not blue black, it's like more like purpley pink black. Yeah, if you're dead, that's how you're gonna look. Oh yeah, black lipstick. Pochong! Damn! Did you see how fast she did that? Oh my god! Kids from St. John Ambulance episode Bulat Sawe Merah are judging me. No, but that's kind of neat though. Who needs pin tudung when you can just select? True, it's true. Is that tissue? No, it's bandage. She's not gonna use tissue, come on. She's using Laura Mercier. Oh no, it's not pocong. It's a mummy. Pocong is kind of like a mummy, the Asian version of a mummy. Girl, are you okay? All that color correcting with green and white foundation. I did not chew. Yeah, she's kind of telling you where she got the bandages from. It's from Guardian. My friend here, she's a pharmacist. I can't really tell you where she works, but she's a pharmacist. So that's the reason why she's telling she did not steal it from the hospital. Yeah. Yeah, I was saying all those... Oh, wow! Girl! Those contacts! I hope these contacts did not give you... Oh, wow! Oh, wow! Damn, those editings though! Yes! That's... I really enjoyed it. Okay. One thing I'm gonna say. She wore those contact lenses on her previous look. And she told me she got an allergy reaction. And I'm pretty sure it's a new contact lens, but she's using it again. I hope she doesn't get another allergy reaction. That was my amazing friend Virus Amni. That was amazing. She made it look like it was so easy, so simple, but I'm pretty sure I would not be able to do that. I do not have skills with blending. Yeah, what I do even for my eyes, I just literally like take one color, put it over here, put another color over here, take another shiny color, put it in the middle. That's all I do. I do not know how to blend. Even sometimes my contour is not blended perfectly. My nose shading is a mess. If any of you guys think you would wanna follow that tutorial, you might wanna reach out to Fi to see if she wants to share that video with you or not. Or you know what, you could simply just pause and see what she's been doing with my video. I seriously thought it was gonna be a zombie with those green. You know what, you see, this is what people with artistic talent do. They give their 100% effort. Like, she literally put on those green color corrector and then she put on the white foundation. She set her face with 2 types of powder because one wasn't enough for a Halloween look. If it was me, I would have just taken baby powder, mixed it with water, slapped it on my face. It's gonna fail, cry, and never gonna do anything about it. Probably wouldn't even create a look because I failed on the first step. Thank you so much for watching. That's all for today. That's all for Halloween part 1. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna do another Halloween related video, but it's not gonna be on Halloween, but it will be up somewhere around in the beginning of November. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a big thumbs up on this video, share around this video, ask your friends to watch, ask your friends to subscribe, please guys. Ask your friends to subscribe, share my video, make sure you caption it, please subscribe to Kann, Kamiko, and also leave a positive comment below. Anything negative will be blocked. I do not tolerate negativity in my life or in my channel or on my videos. So yes, bye.